Hey guys, this is Michelle. Welcome back to the Food, Health, Nutrition, Wealth YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going through a recipe for unstuffed cabbage rolls. So the reason I'm making this recipe is because last week in the recipe we created, it was an Asian cabbage stir fry. And because when you're buying some foods in bulk, you have ingredients that are left over, and it's good to have different types of recipes that use some of those same ingredients so you have some variety and you get to save money in buying in the larger pack sizes of meat, or if you have to buy a whole cabbage and that lasts you for several weeks. So this week we're making the unstuffed cabbage roll casserole, and we're going to be using the other half of the pork and beef blend from last week. So basically I portioned out half of it, put it in the freezer, and then took it out this week, the night before, and then it'll be a good way to use up the rest of the meat in a different way. And I'll also be using the other half of the cabbage. So the recipe will need to have some strained tomatoes, a bell pepper, some oregano and basil spice blend, a little bit of monk fruit sweetener just to balance out the flavors, some onions and garlic, and smoked paprika. So let's get into it. Hey guys, so I forgot to mention that in addition to the ingredients I just went through, I will be adding in a bag of riced cauliflower to make it more of a complete meal. And then when I do it in the oven for the casserole part, I will be doing some shredded mozzarella on top. So in addition to the other ingredients, I'll be using those as well, along with salt and pepper and cooking oil. I'm using butter for this recipe. So those are all the ingredients you'll need to make it, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Here you go, guys. It just came out of the oven. It was in for about 20 minutes. You can see it's bubbling away. You can kind of hear it too. And it looks really good. Alright guys, thanks for watching my latest recipe video. If you haven't seen last week's video or my recent meal planning and grocery haul, I'll link them in the cards above or in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you aren't already, hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you come back. Until next time, bye-bye!